Hello again to my A group students. You are at home again this Friday. And for today's workbook page, we are going to be combining sentences together to make one long sentence in English. After we finish this, you can submit it and then work on your spelling quiz and your reading log, which is due by Sunday night. So hopefully you've been doing that so you don't have too much reading over the weekend. Okay, for this exercise, I would like to give you a word bank or some words to choose from when you're combining these sentences. All of the words I'm about to write down are called conjunctions, which are words in the language that allow us to combine sentences. So, the ones to choose from today are while, when, then, however, and. So you will use each one once. All right, let's give it a try. As always, when you're reading, if you don't know words, you can look them up, look up pictures of them, or use context clues to figure them out from the other words in the sentence. Okay, here we go. The picnic lasted until 5 o'clock. It began to rain at 5 o'clock. How about the picnic lasted until 5 o'clock, comma, then it began to rain. If you do the sentence that way, you don't have to repeat 5 o'clock, and you can use the word then in between. So we can cross out that one. All right, let's try number 2. Most of the farmers grow corn on their farms. The crops grow during the winter months. How about most of the farmers grow corn on their farms and the crops grow during the summer months. One of the easiest ways to combine two sentences in English is to use the word and. Let's try the next one. Whales swim great distances. They dive for food along the way. Okay, because of this along the way, a conjunction that works nicely is while. So we could say whales swim great distances while they dive for food along the way. So while is a good one there because it's happening at the same time. Okay, here in the sentence 4, we are showing a contrast between the first sentence and the second. The hurricane destroyed many homes. It did not damage the city hall. So since there's a contrast here, you could use the word but to combine these two sentences, or the word in our list above that would work would be however. The hurricane destroyed many homes. However, now this is important. When you use however, You can use a semicolon and a comma because you're showing contrast between these two sentences. However, it did not damage City Hall. City Hall is a large governmental building in most cities. However, with that special punctuation. So the only one left is when. Let's see if it works. The president was at the conference dinner when he gave a long speech after dinner. That works very nicely. The president, maybe our new president-elect, Mr. Joe Biden, was at the conference dinner when he gave a long speech after dinner. All right, that is a good lesson for a Friday, combining some sentences using our magical conjunctions. Conjunction, junction, what's your function? Picking up words and making them function. Combining sentences with conjunctions. Okay, please finish up the rest of your work, and I will see you on Monday, and have a good weekend. Goodbye.